So then we get to what we call meninges. Meninges are basically protective layers. Protective layers that you're going to see, and you're going to see it on your brain, and you're also going to see it on your spinal cord. Today we're working on brain, so we're just going to talk about the brain. And so you have three different layers. You have the dura mater, the arachnoid mater, and the pia mater. You can remember DAP, D-A-P. That is from the outside in, so superficial into deep. The pia mater is going to always be on either the brain or the spinal cord, because when we learn the parts of the spinal cord, you'll see pia mater, you'll see arachnoid mater, and dura mater again. So we still have these three layers all the time. Okay, these are three protective layers that you have. So let me just show you where we are. There's your skin and your hair. Okay, and then connecting that is this very thin tendon-like thing, the aponeurosis. We talked about that before when we talked about muscles, but so that's why you see that on the skull. In the lab model, you would see that on the little muscle guy. His head is white there, just a flat sheet basically. And y'all should have been learning in lecture the parts of the bones. And so there's the bone, and there is the compact bone, and there's the spongy bone. But surrounding the bone, there is their periosteum. So you should have learned periosteum. So this is not anything that I'm asking about, but I just wanted to show you. So underneath your bone is where you start to see those three layers. So directly underneath the bone, you have first the dura mater, and then underneath that you have the arachnoid mater. And it's kind of like a spider webby looking thing. Arachnoid is a spider, so it does have this spider netty looking matrix to it, and then underneath that is the pia mater. The pia mater is a very thin layer that sits directly on the brain. Okay, so DAP, dura mater, arachnoid mater, pia mater. That's from the outside working in. So this is just showing another picture of that. We're going to see those same layers on your spinal cord.